Hello, my artsy friends. In this video, we'll be learning the lazy daisy. Let's jump in. Starting with a water-soluble stabilizer. I printed this out, cut it, and now I'm just going to stick it onto my fabric. I'm going to come up through the back, and I'm going to go through the center, and then I come back down in that same hole. If you're familiar with the chain stitch, this is the same thing. They're just detached. So I'm going to come up through the middle there at the end of my petal, and I'm going to hook that loop onto my needle and pull that taut. Now to secure it, I'm going to go right back down just over that floss, and that creates one of my petals. So I'm going to repeat this. This is, again, the lazy daisy. It can be used for, obviously, daisies, but it's also a great stitch for leaves. So if you want to have a couple different leaves, I'm going to do some of these here to look more like leaves, but you could actually make a stem and then have these shooting off of it, and that creates more of a greenery type effect, or you can use it as small flower accents. It's a really nice stitch to add some floral elements to your work. So I'm going to speed this up, and like I said, I will go ahead and fill in a couple of these so we get that greenery effect. And this is our lazy daisy. Check it out. Thank you for stitching with me today. Be sure to download your free pattern sampler and guide wherever you're watching this lesson. I'll see you next time. Happy stitching!